Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to download the Excel file in ReactJS. Whatever code I am going to demonstrate in this video can fulfill the specific type of requirement. For example, in application have the requirement for mass upload and download. But whatever file I am going to upload should be the Excel file template where user can enter the required data and upload the Excel file. So to download that Excel file, there are two ways. Either we can request the API and API will download Excel, or no API request call. Even from React code itself also we can download the Excel template. Again, I'm mentioning the Excel template. So I'm not going to export the data which is available in the table and all. I'm just downloading the Excel template. So user can use that Excel template, enter some data and upload again using the upload button. I hope now the requirement is clear for you. Here is the quick demo of what we are going to develop in this video. As you can see, here is the download Excel button. Let me click on this button. See, it is downloading. Let me save. Downloaded successfully. Let me open. And here is the downloaded Excel file. Nothing much, simply there is a message like hello world. In real-time scenario, it could be a proper format, like what will be the column names and some validation and all. So that can be the Excel template. In our case, a simple hello world in the Excel file. Okay, I hope you understood what we are going to develop in this video. Let me close this file. Here is the command prompt. Let me create the React project using the npx create react app command. Project created successfully. Let me open this in the Visual Studio. So here is the project. Let me run this. Server started. Let's open the app.js file. Here you can see I already added a simple code for the download Excel button and even added a on-click method like handle download. See, this code is very simple. I'm not going to waste your time. So simply I already created it. Let's check in the browser like the download button is coming or not. And here you can see the download Excel button. Let me click on this and it's working and showing the alert message. Till now we haven't implemented anything special. Now let's add the required code. So first we have to add a new library for file saver. Let me search for npm file saver. And here is the result from npm.js website. As you can see, on the right side, there is a command for the install file saver. Now let's install this dependency. First, stop the server. Dependency installation starts. And it's completed. So let me open the package.json file. And here you can see the file saver dependency detail. Let's start the server again. Now let's open the MS Excel. And here you can see added some text like hello world, and I already saved this file. Now let's see how can we convert this Excel file to base64. So let's search about this. Open the first link and here let me choose the Excel file which we created. Here is the Excel file which is book1.xls. Let me choose this. Now let me click on encode file to base64 button. Let's copy this base64 code. Before copy, first let's create a constant file. Here, create one variable for base64 like Excel file base64 and paste the copied code. Let me save this file. Here you can see the base64 code of the Excel which we copied from the website. Now let's add the code which can read this base64 and convert it to Excel and download. First, let's create some variables. Create a variable for base64 data. Create a variable for size. And here I'm giving 1024. Create a variable for byte characters and let's call the method like a to b. This is a JavaScript function for decode and here input will be the base64 data. There are some methods available in the JavaScript which can decode or encode. Like here we are decoding, so a to b. If you want to encode, then b to a. So name is very simple. Okay, so let's create a variable for bytes length and calculate the length of byte characters. Create a variable for slices count. And here divide bytes length to slice size. Create a variable for byte arrays and here create array object and the size is slices count. Now create a for loop and we'll iterate using the slices count. So basically here we are going to process the decoded base64 data in slices or chunks. That means we are not processing entire data. We'll process only particular amount of data, which is nothing but the slice. Now we have to find out in decoded data what will be the start and end point. So create a variable for begin and end. Begin will be the index into size and very first time index is 0, so begin point is starting point. And the end will be the minimum value in between begin plus size and bytes length. Now, using the for loop, every time we have to use some portion of the decoded base64 data. Now, we have the start point and end point. Let's create a bytes array, and the size will be the end minus begin. Created one more for loop which starts the begin and will execute till the end. And the begin and start value again depends on the parent for loop. Inside this for loop will prepare the bytes array. Now convert this bytes to uint8 array and assign them to byte arrays. Now create blob object, pass byte arrays, and the final type will be application vnd.msexcel. Now call the save as method of file saver and pass blob and result file name. Even instead of create a blob variable directly here itself, also we can pass the blob object, and that's it. This is the expected code. So this code is the algorithm which can process the base64 Excel file and will be able to convert into downloaded format Excel file. Okay, let's check the download Excel button is working or not. Now let me click on the download Excel button and see Excel file is downloading. Let's open this. And here is the result. And for the cross verification, you can check the saved file name, which is the file name which we gave in the code, which is my Excel. I hope you learned something from this video. Then please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.